girlies, today we are going to do a face mask that is great to reduce the size of large pores. We are going to need 1 tablespoon of gram flour and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix it together and that's it. Before you apply this face mask, your face has to be completely clean. So I have just washed it and now I'm ready to apply it. Lemon has the cooling ability to reduce the size of pores. It also helps get rid of skin tan and lightens the skin tone. Gram flour will make your skin firm and eventually shrink the size of pores. Because we're using lemon in this face mask, it's safer to use it at night before you go to bed. 3 minutes, then you're gonna leave it on for 15 minutes and rinse it out with warm water. It's really dry. The skin feels really tight, so this must be really good for wrinkles as well or something like that. I'm going to now rinse it out and I'll come back and show you how my skin looks after the face mask. And that's my skin right after removing the face mask. So now I'm going to apply a face moisturizer. The one that I'm using today is one that I made myself. If you would like to know how I make my own face moisturizing cream, have a look on my YouTube channel. I'm going to leave the links to the video down in the description box. And this is the complete result. I honestly loved it. My skin looks a lot healthier. It looks bright and the pores have definitely reduced in size. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, share it on your social media, follow me on mine, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next Monday with another English video. Bye!